Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Badria Priscilla, majoring in English Literature at Pemulang University. Today, I am very excited to present my final project paper for the semantics course. The title of my paper is From Burning Red to Golden, a conceptual metaphor theory analysis of Taylor Swift Daylight. Let us begin with the background of this research. In the study of linguistics, particularly semantics, meaning is traditionally viewed through literal definition found in dictionaries. However, human language is far more complex than just literal description. One of the most profound areas in semantics in the study of figurative language, specifically metaphors. Metaphors are not just decorative, poetic devices or ornamental tools used in creative writing. Instead, they are fundamental cognitive mechanisms that structure how we think, feel, and talk about our everyday life. In modern communication, song lyrics serve as an incredible object of analysis because songwriters heavily rely on metaphors to express deep, abstract, emotional narratives. For this project, I chose Taylor Swift's 2019 song Daylight from her album Lover. This song beautifully chronicles a profound emotional transformation, shifting from past relationship trauma and cynicism to the peace, warmth, and clarity of finding true love. Next, based on this background, my research sets out to assign three primary objects. First, to identify and classify the conceptual metaphors utilized within the lyrics of Taylor Swift Daylight. Second, to describe the underlying semantic mechanism of how abstract emotional experiences are mapped onto concrete physical objects or environments. And third, to demonstrate a comprehensive academic understanding of cognitive mapping and semantics feature in modern texts. To guide my analysis, I am adopting the conceptual metaphor theory, abbreviated as CMT, which was pioneered by George Lakoff and Mark Johnson in 1980 through their seminal book Metaphor We Live By. According to Lakoff and Jensen, a metaphor is a cross-domain cognitive mapping where a target domain is understood in terms of source domain. The target domain represents abstract, complex concepts like love, emotional pain, or time. On the other hand, the source domain draws from our concrete, physical, and tangible experience such as natural environments, journeys, or physical objects. Furthermore, they classify these metaphors into three major types. Structure metaphors, where one concept is systemically structured like another, or rational metaphors, which organize concepts based on spatial dimension derived from our bodies, like up and down. And ontological metaphors, which treat abstract emotion or events as physical substance, containers, or concrete objects. Now let us move on to the core analysis of the paper, where I have examined 12 data points from the lyrics. First, I would like to highlight how the speaker conceptualizes her past trauma and emotional conflict. In data 1, the lyrics say, "My love was as cruel as the cities I live in." This is a structural metaphor formulated as love is a harsh environment or city. Semantically, instead of viewing love as a safe space, the attributes of cold, chaotic, and isolating urban city are mapped onto her romantic history. In Data 2, Swift sings, I've been sleeping so long in 20-year dark night. This demonstrates the metaphor depression or isolation is darkness or sleep. Here, her abstract psychological suffering is quantified as an enclosed blending time frame span is physical darkness. In Data 7, she said, I threw out his cloak and our dangers. This used the structural metaphor a past relationship is warfare or combat. Emotional defenses, secret, and arguments are given physical form as dangerous weapons, mapping the act of discarding them a semantic symbol of surrounding hostility. Moving forward, the song transitions into themes of healing and rebirth. In Data 3, we see the central metaphor of the track. And now I see daylight, I only see daylight. This follows the formula true love and hope is sunlight. Semantically, daylight brings warmth, visibility, and safety. By physically seeing the light, the speaker illustrates a complex psychological awakening. This is supported by Data 8. You gotta step into the daylight and let it go. This combines original and structural mapping. Healing is an outward physical journey. It implies that recovery requires active movement out of the shadows of the past into the open sun. Similarly, in Data 11, I kick out the window, flip up the page. Abstract personal breakthrough is mapped onto breaking physical barriers and turning page, reinforcing a deliberate transition into newfound freedom. Next, the ultimate paradigm shift or the entire paper is perfectly encapsulated in Data 12. I used to think love would be burning red, but it's golden. Here, Swift explicitly contrasts two color-based ontological metaphors. She compares her all understanding of love as burning rage, which carried semantic association of volatile passion, heat, and danger, with her new understanding of love as golden. Semantically, gold represents timeless value, stability, warmth, and enduring peace. This structural shift redefines love entirely, changing it from a destructive, consuming fire into a soothing, permanent sanctuary. Okay, to conclude this presentation, my paper highlights that Taylor Swift Daylight relies on a brilliant semantic architecture built up on the binary opposition of darkness and light. Past trauma is structured around warfare and confinement, while recovery is structured around sunlight and available metals. On a practical note, this study shows that conceptual metaphors are not unique to academic textbooks. They shape our global popular culture because light and darkness are universal human experience. Pop music can transcend culture boundaries, helping a globalized audience cross-linguistically decode complex emotional truths. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I welcome any question or feedback. Thank you.